Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how to enable or remove WhatsApp tablet split screen feature. Now, for those of you that are new to WhatsApp, now this is a new feature that came, I think, in May 2023. And this is something that you can do really easily. So let me show you. So basically, as you can see, this option can be accessed through WhatsApp settings. So you go to WhatsApp settings on your tablet or laptop or whatever. You go to chats and then you have side-by-side views. Now, as you can see, this is what it needs to say right here. Here, if you disable this, then obviously it will be disabled. If you enable it, it will be enabled. Now, what I would recommend is if you don't have this, you'll need to go and update your device. And if you still don't have this, then your device isn't compatible with this feature. Now, as you can see, this is basically how you can enable it or disable it. If you want to see more WhatsApp tutorials, obviously, this is going to be something that you can see on our channel. You can subscribe for more. And if you want more WhatsApp update videos, you can also subscribe to our channel as well. Thank you guys for watching.